What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be shot on my iPhone. I've done this video before. It was much like a get ready with me because I was going out of town. So today it is going to be the same. So if you like get ready with me on iPhones or just general, just realistic shit, keep on watching. I'm finna tell you what we have in front of me. I have a freaking mess. I didn't even prepare for this video, but we are going to start with hair first. Let's go ahead and get our Got to Be glue. I just done a video telling you guys what I like to do with my edges, and it's using the Got to Be glue. So what's been up, guys? I mean, have you been doing a lot of Christmas shopping? Are you ready for the new year? 2020 is on its way, y'all, and it's gotten here so darn quick. I just realized you haven't done any Christmas shopping. Even though I don't have kids, but I still like to buy things, you know, whether it's for my wife or for the house, things in general, go out to eat, things like that. I'm going to try to film, I don't know, maybe like a vlog or something. So let me know down below if you guys would like to see my Christmas, because we're going to the mountains. We're going to the mountains. I don't know if you guys are anti-gamble, but I'm not. So just let me know if you guys would like to see our Christmas. I mean, if I come for a Beats, I want to see a Beats, you know? And you give me a Beats on top of your vlog. I mean, I'm like surprised that you could do that. But, you know, some people do it. Because I didn't think people do makeup with a vlog. I didn't know how that would work, but I've seen a couple people do a vlog and actually do their makeup at the same time while they're vlogging. And I'm like, how do you do that? You know, that's kind of gotta be a hard work, ain't it? If you have an audience that just like vlogs, of course, you know, that's like a no-brainer. But if you have an audience that's like me and I like to see makeup, I mean, especially if I subscribe to you and I know that you're absolutely into makeup, you know, it's just interesting to me on how you could actually vlog and do your makeup with the vlog. To be honest about it, I really haven't been like the type to watch Vlogmas. I'm more like, I'm subscribed to you for the beat. I want to beat, you know, that type of person. I mean, I don't mind the vlogs. I don't want to like see all of my people that I'm subscribed to doing Vlogmas, you know. At least give me a beat every now and then. You know what I'm saying? I wonder if that's too high for my hairnet. I gotta wear a hairnet to work. And I'm like wondering if that's too high. I don't know. I'm not anti-vlog or anything like that. I just never been the type to really be into vlogs. You know, like sitting out looking at people's lives all day. I never really found the concept of that. I'm going to try to leave the products down below in the description box, okay? So make sure you guys check that out. Clinique ID Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. It does have the blue cartridge, so it's for pores, wrinkles, and dark spots. And the skin, it feels so good, y'all. Oh my goodness. Keeps my skin looking good all day. Keeps it looking fresh. Just the bomb. Just the bomb. Now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty. This is the mattifying primer, just in the T-zone area. And on top of that, some Skin to Blur. This is the little mini that came in a Christmas travel size. I mean, it's just like a couple of drops that came in it. You know, minis are in nowadays. People can't afford a full size anymore. Makeup has gotten so expensive. I mean, really, the $54 one. Even though I have it, but I'm not going to buy it over. Not till I get paid. Really good primer. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and make some coffee. Well, I'm gonna have my eyebrows done when I come back, okay? Kill some time. Be right back. Okay, since the brows are done, I'm gonna try to get ready for work at the same time. So if you see me doing a lot of twisting, turning, and carrying on back there, that's because I'm packing. All right, Becca, this is the 24-hour full coverage. Girl, really? Baby, she is thicker than a sticker. Now the coverage is like dead on, super duper. I actually love to go in with a damn sponge and blend it out on my face. That foundation brush is just not gonna do it with this super duper. Girl, let's spray the face. Feel like she's trying to get damn dry already. I have no specific person I like to watch for Vlogmas. So if you guys have a specific person you like to watch, leave them down below. Maybe I can get into them, you know. I just never got into like Vlogmas, you know, unless that person is like really, really funny and I'm already interested in them anyway, then yeah. But just further than like just watching them, nah. I don't really like to see what's going on in people's lives because some things is just not to be put out there, you know what I mean? And I'd be like, oh my God, no you didn't, like for real? Well, I would have slapped the shit out of you, you know what I mean? Okay, concealer. Use my NYX. This is a Sculpt and Highlight Contour Tarte Shape Tape. That's the 3-dot rule. So it is raining outside, y'all. So if you hear it, that's what it is. Just to let you guys know. Hopefully we won't have like a rainy winter like we did like, what was that, year before last? We had such a rainy weather here for winter in Georgia. It was just like, it was no winter at all. It was just rain. Girl, what is going on? You didn't tell me my damn lashes was getting into my damn facilla. So who all is cooking for Christmas? Are you guys cooking? If so, what are you cooking? Candy yams? Well, you got another turkey in the oven? Got some more ham? Casserole? Last year, I think we went to the casino again last year. I know, right? I just got a freaking problem. Don't judge me. And we ate at the buffet. Girl, they buffets like bomb at the casino, honey. They be having crawfish, shrimp. They have Chinese. They don't have lobster though. I know, right? Spend all your damn money, you can't even get a lobster tail. If you got it, then yeah, by all means, like spend the money, you know what I'm saying? But if I was like to win like a guap, I would sit down somewhere, girl. I bring it home. Like when y'all go Christmas shopping, do y'all try to like deliberately find what the person say they want? Do y'all got a problem with like actually buying what this person say they want, or you fine with it, or you like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get it? Or you like that type of person? They say, well, they want like a diamond ring or earrings or a watch. Girl, Christmas Day come here, ain't no ring, no watch. Girl, will you be mad if they don't get it though? For one, would you be mad? I just want to know, would y'all be mad if y'all tell somebody what you want and they don't buy it? Because you know, a lot of y'all really do be mad about that shit though, for real. Y'all be like, you said you were going to get me the blah, blah, blah. A couple people have been mad at me over the years, okay? Ask me if I can. Don't give a damn. I'm not a bad shopper, you know what I'm saying? But I feel like this. You want that now because it's so-called Christmas, but your damn ass been wanting that all along, and you make paychecks just like I make a paycheck to go ahead and get it before Christmas. Sitting on your coins, waiting on Christmas time, somebody say what you want for Christmas. Oh, I want a brand new car. Bitch. You better go shake some ass. People are crazy, okay? But my nieces and nephews, you know what I'm saying, they're grown, so if they did want cars and shit, then I think something's like totally wrong. I know my one niece, she was like, she wanted my Mercedes. Baby girl. Sometimes my makeup be coming out bomb as hell. Sometimes my makeup be like, girl, no ma'am, try it again. I don't have time to like beat the face up every day. And especially with my job, it's a lot of water involved. So in the morning time when I get to work, I have to really involve myself with a lot of water. So girl, they want to beat my face and then have to go into all that damn watery splashing and shit all on my face. Girl, I be mad as hell. I be beat to hell to the gods. But nonetheless, when I come beat to the gods though, I turn them damn heads. Okay, my buddy gave me this. I never owned any Jeffree Star cosmetics products, and it is very nice. So I think I'm gonna play with this a little bit while I got a little time. This is the Androgyny palette from Jeffree Star. Look at it. God, these are some beautiful shades. So I think the first shade I'm gonna dig into is called Charm to set the eyes. Nice little mirror, y'all. Very nice mirror. Little kick up, but I think the payoff will be worth it. I'm just gonna use this on a Morphe M504 just to go ahead and give myself a quick blend to set. But my wife, I've been trying to get her to do her a YouTube channel. She does a lot of motivation speaking, you know what I'm saying? I mean, she really does. She really kick knowledge to people for those who want to hear it anyway, you know. I got her to do a skincare video with me. I'm just waiting to edit it. You know, I haven't edited yet. She want to see it first. I want to switch to their Elite collection, one of their great brushes, the E23. Let me go ahead and darken it with this one. It's called Androgyny. Just give me a quick blend because I am going to use some glitter by, I think, NYX. Oh, and by the way, I don't think I'm going to be wearing lashes today, y'all. I know. But I have to go to work. I can't wear lashes at work, so very nice red shade. I'm just going to pop some right there. That's cute. Very wet. These shimmers are nice inside of it. Let that dry down a little bit, and then I'm gonna go and blend the edges out because whether it's a liquid shimmer or whatever, girl, I still don't like the harsh lines. So I got some full shadow here. I do want to add a little bit on top of it from NYX. I gotta let this dry down a little bit more because she is still wet. Girl, I need to go ahead and dry. So let me use a Morphe 124 brush. That's a little more yellow. Yeah, that's like a bronzy gold. Copper gold, maybe. That is real pretty. And it's foil, so be careful with the fallout. So just in case you already done your face, your base, it does fall out. Look at there. Yeah, it's pretty bad. You could wet your brush as well if you use like the full shadows. Yes, so pretty. Okay, let's deepen out the crease a little bit with that Androgyny shade so we can let everything look like it's meshed together. Okay, for the bottom lash line, I am going to use this gold liner. This is not a stranger to my channel. This is the Maybelline Lasting Drama waterproof gel pencil in the shade, I think this is Striking Copper. Y'all know the drill, the Anastasia Beverly Hills, Plap Plap. I think I want to use some highlight out of my Ray Ray palette. I think I'm going to use Radiant and a little bit of French Toast. I know I just completely stopped talking to y'all last week, didn't I? Girl, when she get into the beat, she get into the beat, okay? Alrighty. Yeah. Okay, inner corner highlight. Let's see what I want. Yeah, let's go ahead with this Moonlight shade in the same palette. Pop some here. But this is my Sephora brown liner. I think this is, yeah, matte brown black. I'm not really digging the copper shade. All right, so y'all know the drill with the lip. I did this lip before. The Smashbox. And then we added some of that Armor Satin Matte, girl. This is in the shade Satin. Girl, this lip is everything. And she gonna get on my teeth. So let's use some Broadway mascara on the bottom lashes. And then take my I Love Extreme Crazy Volume from Essence and do the top. All right, set my eyebrows, honey. I had somebody to say that they couldn't find the Brow This Way by Rimmel London. Y'all, I had this product for so long. They may not even sell this anymore. But if they don't, really good, inexpensive brand. NYX have brow setters. It was really inexpensive. So I'm guessing if they don't have it anymore, the NYX is kind of like the next thing. All right, let me put my shirt on. This is my shirt that I'm wearing today. Very festive, very holiday-ish. Wipe the powders out first. For longevity, I use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Set Spray. Very good product. It does keep the makeup looking good all day long. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you do before you leave. Make sure you give me a big old like, thumbs up. I'm Stay Ashy. I do have a little lotion on standby, so yeah, go ahead and put that on. But guys, I don't wear earrings to work. If you're wondering why I don't have any earrings on, I don't wear nails to work. I have a hairnet I have to wear on my head, so I may push the bun down a little bit. I don't know. Depends on how I feel when I get to work. See how my hairnet is gonna sit. I did film off my iPhone so I can travel with that this weekend to enjoy my family, because I'm going somewhere else for Christmas. But make sure you do leave your comments down below. Let me know what you want to see next. If there is something that you want in particular for New Year's. Is there an outfit you want to see about? Or is just plain on beat up face girl? I got you. Until next time, love you guys. Have a safe and Merry Christmas if I do not see you in between now and then. And make good choices. See you in my next one. Bye.